Hello everyone. Question is, if 2 to the power a equals to 3 and 3 to the power b equals to 2, find 1 by a plus 1 plus 1 by b plus 1. Solution will be, here we have been given 2 to the power a equals to 3. Now multiplying both sides by 2, we get 2 to the power a times 2 equals to 3 times 2. 2 can also be written as 2 to the power 1. This equals to, now using exponential rule, a to the power m times a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n. We can write this as 2 to the power a plus 1 equals to 3 times 2 is 6. Now taking power 1 by a plus 1 on both sides, we get 2 to the power a plus 1 whole to the power 1 by a plus 1 equals to 6 to the power 1 by a plus 1. This equals to, now again using exponential rule, a to the power m whole to the power n equals to a to the power mn. We can write this as 2 to the power a plus 1 times 1 by a plus 1 equals to 6 to the power 1 by a plus 1. Here and here a plus 1 will be reduced by a plus 1 times, here also 1 times. This equals to 2 equals to 6 to the power 1 by a plus 1. Let's say this equation 1. Similarly, 3 to the power b equals to 2. Multiplying both sides by 3, we get 3 to the power b times 3 equals to 2 times 3. Here 3 can be written as 3 to the power 1. This equals to, again using exponential rule, a to the power m times a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n. We can write this as 3 to the power b plus 1 equals to 2 times 3 is 6. Now taking power 1 by b plus 1 on both sides, we get 3 to the power b plus 1 whole to the power 1 by b plus 1 equals to 6 to the power 1 by b plus 1. This equals to, again using exponential rule, a to the power m whole to the power n equals to a to the power mn. We can write this as 3 to the power b plus 1 times 1 by b plus 1 equals to 6 to the power 1 by b plus 1. Here and here b plus 1 will be reduced by b plus 1 times, here also 1 times. This equals to 3 equals to 6 to the power 1 by b plus 1. Let's say this equation 2. Now multiplying equation 1 and equation 2, we get 2 times 3 equals to 6 to the power 1 by a plus 1 times 6 to the power 1 by b plus 1. This equals to 2 times 3 is 6 equals to, again using exponential rule, a to the power m times a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n. We can write this as 6 to the power 1 by a plus 1 plus 1 by b plus 1. Here 6 can be written as 6 to the power 1. Now since base are equal, therefore 1 equals to 1 by a plus 1 plus 1 by b plus 1. Therefore, 1 by a plus 1 plus 1 by b plus 1 equals to 1. This is our solution.